Welcome to the crash course in Python. Whether you're a computer beginner or looking to refresh your Python skills, this course is designed to give you a fast paced introduction to one of the most versatile and in demand programming languages in the world. Python is renowned for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. In this course, we'll cover the fundamentals of Python programming, including basic syntax, data types, control flow, functions, and more. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of Python fundamentals and be ready to tackle more advanced topics. Hi, I am Vivin Arana and I will be walking you through this crash course. What you'll learn: first, introduction to Python. Understand why Python is popular programming language and its various applications. Setting up your environment. Learn how to install Python and set up your development environment. Basic syntax. Explore Python syntax including variables, data types, and operators. Control flow. Understand how to use conditional statements and loops to control the flow of your Python programs. Functions. Learn how to define and use functions to organize your code and make it more reusable. Data structures. Explore built in data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets and learn how to manipulate them. File handling. Learn how to read from and write to files using Python. Error handling. Understand how to handle errors and exceptions in your Python program. Introduction to modules and packages. Explore how to organize your code into modules and packages for better code organization and reusability. Introduction to Object Oriented Programming (OOP). Get an overview of OOP concepts in Python, including classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. Who is this course for? It's for beginners with little to no programming experience who want to learn Python from scratch. It's also for programmers experienced in other languages who want to add Python to their skill set. It's for professionals looking to enhance their career prospects by mastering Python for various applications such as web development, data science, machine learning, and automation. So, in short, it's for everyone. What are the prerequisites? No prior programming experience is required. However, basic computer literacy and familiarity with concepts like variables, data types, and control flow will be helpful, even though we cover them in this course. By the end of this crash course in Python, you will have the foundational knowledge and skills to start building your own Python applications, whether it's simple scripts or more complex projects. Get ready to dive into the world of Python programming and unleash your creativity.